It's Friday.
Alright, welcome back. I'm your man Badchad, and Queen Dreams on the camera. We are on air.
Jolene left and she went away. She took a car in a picture frame. Colton came back, but nothing changed. My attitude is the thing to blame. In my garage I bitch and whine. It's a boat time, it's my favorite line. The reason being is I'm not sure I've shown my butt to Colton's friend before. I build cars, not relationships. I build them fast, yeah, I build them quick. But all the stuff that I do quick, when I go off camera I have to fix. I build cars, not relationships. I build them fast, yeah, I build them quick. But all the stuff that I do quick, when I go off camera I have to fix. One day, when I least expect, I'll get a cutting disc in my neck. All my cars are almost done. I cut them up just for fun. I ain't no mechanic, so they don't run. I hide them away, they never see the sun. My welding is 1,000 spots. I join 2 panels with 1,000 dots. All my clothes are on the floor. I use coat hangers to fix my doors. I make plastic windows and barbecues. Nate and Douglas were my crew. They're gone, they left too, everyone does. They all do. My subscribers left when my channel closed. Where they went, no one knows. I tell bad jokes and I pick my nose. I wear girls' shoes and tight clothes. I show off now to Emily, no push-ups, just jokes and dreams, just me and her. In my shed, I'm trying hard to make content. I know it all and like to talk. I work on the floor, I can hardly walk. My dog's called Fina, she's really swell. She's deaf from grinding and blind from wills. One day when I'm dead and gone, my legacy will live on. I hide my work and I hide it well. I bought all the bundle that my local store sells. I have no doubt in my mind, come on everybody, it's a boat time. I build cars, not relationships. I build them fast, yeah, I build them quick. But all the stuff that I do quick, when I go off camera I have to fix. I build cars, not relationships. I build them fast, yeah, I build them quick. But all the stuff that I do quick, when I go off camera I have to fix. I build cars, whoa. Jolene left and she went away. She took a car and a picture frame. Colton came back, but nothing changed. The chip on my shoulder is the thing to blame.
Just want to apologize for being a bad person.